Alright, we're officially started.
Okay. So here we are in the pattern shop. We made a mobile storage rack for all of our clamps that we use. We've got quite a variety. The main reason that we decided we needed this was because these clamps, which we have quite a few of, were inaccessible. They were hanging back here on a bar in behind where we kept our C-clamps, which were right here. The C-clamps were fine, but nobody ever grabbed these, and they're handy. We have them, a lot of them. Also, all of our bar clamps and a lot of our longer clamps were kept back behind the plywood storage area, just kind of pushed back into a little cubby hole. And some of the stuff we didn't even know that we had. So the way we've got this designed is we've still got all of our C-clamps. Got them here. Got some of our wide throat clamps here. But the idea is pretty much anything that's shorter is going to be on this side. And then most things.
I'm hiding from him.
And it rolls so well you can't even control it.
Yeah.
Most things 2 foot or longer are kept on this side, so when you're going to do a glue-up job, just grab your cart and go. And also got really good brakes, so it's not going to get away from you when you stop ready to work. 2 second lean pattern.